Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. So this is our old bicycle restoration video, and here you can see I have taken up my poor bicycle which was in a very poor condition and with rusts on the body. So here you can see a fender of the bike which was taken off, and I had to dismantle the entire bike to start the restoration job. So over here you can see I am using a paint remover on the old paint on the fender, which I am applying with the paint brush, and I have diluted it with some of the paint oil, which is already called the tarpon oil. Now I am scraping it off with a scraper. And you can see how easily the paint comes off, along with the rusts and all other contaminants on the surface. So I have also used a wire brush for this purpose, as wire brushes are very much easier to work with, and they go into the grooves where a normal scraper cannot go in. As you can see, I am using a scraper again to remove the paints. The fork. And it really did a nice job of removing all the old paints. So here you can see that lump over there, that is the old paint which has come off, and that is what remains of it. Now we take on to the frame, and we start by removing the old stickers. Removing the stickers is not a painstaking job, but it takes a little bit of patience to remove it completely, although there is a residue of the glue on the paint which is a bit hard to remove afterwards. So here is a complete view of the frame after it has been removed of the paints. It is now ready for sand blasting. I'm using a high grit sandpaper for the same job. And I always try to attain some perfection with this, because this will be the foundation of the paint that we'll be doing. So any kind of undulation or old paint residue that is in there would always be a problem later on. You also have to be very careful to remove the rusts as well. So here is the frame. Here is the stem. And now I am removing all the dusts by using a microfiber cloth from the frame. Always try to use a microfiber cloth because they are usually pretty good at removing any sort of surface dusts or contaminants. Now you can see the entire bike frame. So I got the bike painted with the red oxide, or with what we call a primer, from a automobile paint shop. And here are the paints that I have used. I have brought them from Amazon, and I used a white paint to give a base coat. Then I have used a green paint to paint the frame. And this is the chain cover, which is getting its second coat. And always try to use a mask and an eyewear to protect yourself from the paint. So here you can see I am painting the old fender. It has been primered into silver. The entire job was pretty satisfactory, and after assembling the bike, the final results were quite satisfactory. Here you can see the branding and the stickers I have used. These stickers are also available in Amazon, for which I will be leaving a link in the description below. And if you have liked this video, so please not forget to press the like button. And if you also want to see some more of my works in future, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. I wish my video has reached you in a very good health, and you are doing good, and your family is also doing good. And this is the way I think you can proceed with the restoration of your bike if you wish. Please do like the video and subscribe so that you may get notification for further videos which I will be posting soon. Thank you.